An exterior concrete patio is a wonderful extension of the home which is brought outdoors. A patio can be built around a pool or as a place for seating, tables, and an outdoor grill for the whole family to enjoy. A concrete is one of the best construction materials to build a patio with because it's affordable, low maintenance, and visually versatile. Patios can be made of wood, different types of stone, or concrete. Wood and stone patios can be expensive and they come with certain disadvantages. If a patio is built of wood, excessive rainfall can cause the wood to splinter and stick into bare feet and hands. Annoying bugs and mice also tend to live in wooden materials. When a patio is made of stone or slate, the materials can be expensive and weeds and grass will continuously grow up out of the cracks between the stones, making weeding a routine chore. Concrete is a versatile and inexpensive material with which to build a patio. Concrete patios hold up extremely well to harsh weather extremes for lasting durability. Concrete patios last longer and are cheaper to build than a stone patio, but the concrete can be poured, colored, and stamped to make the concrete patio look as if it were made of actual stone. Concrete can be colored and stamped to replicate almost any type of stone or brick. And because it is stamped, there are no holes or cracks for the underlaying grass and weeds to creep through. The concrete can be stamped into rectangles and dyed a gray-green to resemble slate, or dyed an orange-red color and stamped in small rectangles to resemble brick. It is also very easy to maintain concrete patios. The process for cleaning a dirty concrete patio involves spraying it down with a hose or power washer, using soap and a push broom to clean it, and then thoroughly rinsing the soap suds off the patio with a hose. Most homeowners would agree that a concrete patio has both advantages and disadvantages. A patio can provide an attractive outdoor space, which, during pleasant weather, can virtually function as an additional dining and living room. Patios made of concrete or concrete pavers are making a big comeback as homeowners now realize all the benefits they were missing out on by installing wood or wood composite decking. When compared with individual masonry pavings units and natural stone, concrete is easier to maintain because it's a solid surface. Unlike paving stones, you won't have sand-filled joints between units where grass and weeds can sprout. In addition, individual pavers can settle unevenly, creating dangerous tripping hazards. In addition to concrete's versatility, concrete is highly durable and can stand up to the wide range of weather conditions found across the country. In fact, many concrete contractors in colder climates take special measures to ensure the durability of the concrete patios they produce. Thanks for watching. Until next time.